Okay, the four types of our special product is the cube of binomial. So, what is a cube of binomial? So, dalawa rin yan, ano? Isang positive at isang negative. Actually, in the other book, they treat differently for the positive cube of binomial or the sum of the cube of binomial. And the other one is the difference of the cube of binomial. So, I'm going to show you the pattern on how to solve this type or what will be the differences between these two types of cube of binomial. For positive one or for addition, we have here, ilagay nyo muna natin ito. So, that is first term is x, second term is y. So, x, then plus 3, first term times first term times the second term. Then, copyhin nyo lang ito, 3x, then y. Then plus y. So, remember, since cube yan, cube yung dulo, cube yung unahan, of course, ang sunod niyan is x squared. Square niyo yung first term and square niyo yung second term. Ganyan siya. So kapag addition of cube of binomial yan, lahat yan ay positive. Lahat yan ay positive. Na magkakaiba tayo ngayon yan sa kapag difference of cube of binomial. So, ganyan ulit. Sulat mo ulit siya. So x plus or x 3xy then 3x y, then y. Ayun. Since sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, magkakaiba yan. So kapag negative or subtraction yan, alternating ang sign dapat yan. Positive, negative, positive, negative. So, positive, negative, positive, negative. So yung mga term yan, it bears a sign. So ngayon, ganyan ulit. Since cube yan, cube yung last term, cube yung second term, ay unang term, then square yung second term, square yung last term. So, nakita niya kung paano siya, kung paano niya sinasolve yan. So, alternating dapat yung, yung sign niya. So, that will be your pattern in solving this type of binomial. Okay, so, or cube of binomial rather. So, let's start this one. So, let's say we have given 3x plus 7, or the cube of quantity 3x plus 7. So, remember, your first term is 3x and your second term is 7. So, let us put first our first term. That is 3x. Ganyan. Then, plus 3. Bakit 3? Constant yung 3 dyan kasi cube nga yan. First term is 3x. Second term is 7. Ayan. Papihan nyo lang siya. So, 3x, then 7. And then last term should be plus 7. Then, i-cube nyo to. Cube nyo yan. Square ito. Then square nyo. Yan na. Then start evaluating this one. So, cube of 3, that is 27x cube. Bakit 27? 3 times 3, 9. Times 3, 27. Okay, plus. Dito, sa second term, una yung multiply nito muna. 3 times 7, that will give you 21. You can square nito. Square of 3, that is 9x squared. Yeah. Then plus, dito naman, yun yung multiply ito. It will give you 9x. And then square of 7 will give you 49. And then last term, square of 7, a cube of 7 will give you, I think, 343. And let's check now. That's 343, if I'm not mistaken. Use your calculator, ha? Para hindi kayo may rating compute. So, 7 cube. 7 carry 3. 343 na. Okay, now. So, this could be 27. Pero kaya, take note, hanggang merong parenthesis, kailangan mo sa solve kayo niya. Hindi pwedeng pa. Kailangan, ang sagot niya wala na siyang parenthesis. So, this could be 27x cubed. So, this is 21 times 9. 21 times 9 will give you 189 plus 189x squared. And then this give you 49. 9 times 49 give you 441. 441x. And then last term could be plus 343. See? Nakita ninyo? Nakita niyo yung pagkakain, nakita niyo, since positive yung addition yung operation, na sila ay positive. Yung sagot niya. So, what about this one? Okay, this one. Okay. Your first term is 4x. 4x. And then, plus 3. Your first term is 4x. Your second term is negative 5, 1. Okay, plus, kopyahin nyo lang siya. So, 3, 4x, negative 5y. And then, plus, negative 5, 1. Okay, cube nyo ito. Cube nyo itong isa. Now, square nyo yung 4x. This time, square nyo yung negative 5y. So, start evaluating na. So, this could be 64x cubed. And then, ano muna yung multiply? Ito muna, tsaka yan. Okay, we'll give you positive plus negative 15y. And then ito, square of 4, let's give you 16x squared. 16x squared. Then plus, ito muna, let's give you 12x. Yan, and this give negative 5 square that give you 25y squared. And then for the last term, it will give you cube of negative 5. Will give you negative 5 times negative 5. It gives you positive 25. Times negative 5 again, it's negative 125y. Okay. So this is 64x cubed. Yeah, 64x cubed. What about this one? Negative 15 times 15y times negative 16x squared. So negative 15 times 16 will give you negative 240. Negative 240x squared y. Pati yung paglagay na variable, kailangan hindi pwedeng mawala yung y kasi alphabetical kailangan niya. And then 12 times 25 will give you plus 300 x y squared. And then for the last term, this could be negative 125 y cubed. Okay? Nakita niyo yung alternating sign? That's positive, negative, positive, negative. Kasi nga, ang operation niya dito ay subtraction. Okay? So, ulit-ulit na itong video ito ha, para maintindihan nyo kung paano sinusolve. Kasi medyo confusing ito. Sa ating libro kasi hindi ganito yung pagka-compute nila. So I give you the right pattern for you to solve it right para hindi rin kayo mahirapan kung paano ito i-solve. Okay? Okay, let us now discuss the last part of this topic, which is the application or the problem solving of special products. In number 1, we have the problem such as this one. A rectangle measures quantity 5x minus 3 meters and the quantity 2x plus 5 meters wide. So find its area. All you have to do first is to measure or to illustrate your problem para hindi kayo mahirapan. So if this is a rectangle, as it said in the problem, the measures of its length is 5x minus 3. And then the measure of its width is 2x plus 5. Now, in solving these types of geometric plane figures, you're going to recall what are the basic formula for finding the area of a rectangle. So, na-discuss niyan nung grade 6 tayo. So, all of you maybe understand or maybe recall how or what is the area in finding or what's the formula in finding the area of a rectangle. Diba? That is area is equals to length times width. So that is the area or the formula for area. So this is the length and this is the width. So all you have to do is to multiply the length and the width. So this area should be 5x minus 3 and the other one is 2x plus 5. So that will be the statement of the formula. Now, have you recall in your first topic on how to solve this type of problem? So you're going to recall the FOIL method. FOIL method. The FOIL method stands for first term, outer term, inner terms, and the last term. But the outer and the inner terms somehow is added para maging trinomial siya. So let us do this using the FOIL method. So first term muna. First term times first term, that's 5x times 2x. And it will give you 10x squared. Diba? Then first term, outer terms, this one, that is 5x times 5 will give you positive 25x. And then the inner terms, that is negative 3 times 2x, will give you negative 6x. And then for the last term, we have this one. That's negative 3 times 5 will give you negative 50. Yeah. And then, let's simplify this one. This is 10x squared. And then, subtract. 25 minus 6 will give you positive 19, sorry. That's positive 19x and then minus 50 meters. That will be the area of this rectangle as the given is stated in the problem. So that will be. Now the second one. The side of the square is quantity 4b minus 5. So what is its area? So square naman siya. So let's draw it with the square here. Yan. Kahit hindi masyadong square. So isa lang yung side niya. Kasi alam natin na ang square has 4 equal sides. No? It has 4 equal sides. So this could be 4x minus 5. So have you recalled the area in finding the, have you recalled the formula in finding the area of the square? So diba, that is area is equals to s squared. So nakakandaan nyo pa yan? Okay, so this is area means if the side is 4b minus 5 squared. So how are we going to find the area? So apply natin the special products. Diba? The square of binomial, we have here 4b minus 5 squares. May recall pa? So first term, that is 4b squared tapos plus 2. First term, that's 4b. Second term, that's negative 5. And then plus negative 5 squared. Yan. So square natin ito, this gives you 16b squared. B squared. And then multiply natin 2 times 4, that's 8. Times negative 5 will give you negative 40b. And then last term, square of negative 5 will give you positive 25. So that will be your answer. 16b squared minus 40b plus 25 meters. That will be the area of the said square as stated the given side in the problem. Okay? So that's all for today, grade 7. So let me remind you again the importance of this topic in your mathematics class. So magagamit niyo yan when you are in the higher mathematics. And i-remind ko lang po ulit, so yung module 7 ninyo, marami sa mga klase ninyo ang sumagot ng walang computation. So remember, sa mathematics, hindi mahalaga kung paano mo nakuha yung sagot. Ang mahalaga kung paano mo kinumpute yung given. Kasi kahit may sagot ka doon, kung walang computation, the next time sa module 8, kahit may sagot kayo at walang computation, it means that you didn't solve the problem. So maaring nangopya lang kayo, hindi naman sasasabi ko nangopya kayo. Maaring nakalimutan nyo lang i-attach. So next time, para magkaroon kayo ng score, i-attach ninyo yung computation ninyo. And then ilalagay ninyo yung tamang sagot o yung final answer doon mismo sa module. Paliwanag po? So it means that next time, no computation means no score. Or no attached computation means no score. So nakakaintindihan po tayo. So that's all for today. Thank you for giving this time. So kung hindi naintindihan, ulit-ulitin lang po yung video. Nang intindihin niyo yung concept. Kasi ang concept naman yan is isa lang. Nagbabago-bago lang yung number. So bye-bye!